Hi everybody, Jenny with Bat in the Farm. Tonight we're at our Beekeeping Association meeting and we are getting accepted into the chapter to be official beekeeper group. So come along with us.
I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not an easy job. But if you do the work and try to do everything you can prevent a lot of things before they happen. Like mite treatments and stuff like that, swarming, stuff like that. As long as it's over practice, you notice a lot of things. Pesticide poison, we can't control that. It's out there. One thing you do is try to prevent a lot of it. Talk with you around farming communities, talk with your farmers, work with the farmers. Let them know if they spray, you shut your bees up and stuff like that. That's the thing we're work together with the farmers, because we've got to have farmers got to have us, so we've got to work together. And if you work together, most times it works out better. But what I've seen up here is mostly in the mountains. I've been running up here 4 years now, is we end up with starvation problems. That's our biggest thing, starvation. So what I tell people is, if you got a problem that you don't have something, if you got some spots of land out in this fire, just plant buckwheat. Plant a nectar source, and buckwheat's a good nectar source. You can plant, it gives it a dark honey, but it's a food source that you can feed in the fall of the year and the spring of the year, and you don't have to feed as much sugar. What to look for, and if you notice stuff like, it'll prevent you from losing your bees. Because that's our goal, make the bees through the winter. So, one thing to start with is, some of you people use solid boards, some use spring. I like spring bottles because I can take the bottles out. You see right here, I'm like solid or spring. So they work good. I put them in. I think the biggest question to get, my bees froze last week. Bees don't freeze. What happens is the cluster gets so small that they cannot, and I've done studies on this. I went to NC State, I studied with David Carpet, I've been to school 2 years up there. I put sensors inside the bottles. And I've got scales at home, and I put scales. What happened is, when I went through the winter, before I went through, I let my bees get too small, and then when I went through the winter, they kept getting smaller and smaller, and they dwindled down, so they couldn't maintain that 96.5 degrees right in there between the balls. So the queen dies, and when the queen dies, there's no bees replaced. So that's what the issue has. Normally, if I notice a ball getting small, or if they're getting a little bit small, I'll combine 2 hives. If I got 2 hives a week, combine and make 1. I would rather have 1 hive make it through the winter than try to lose both. So when you come to that entrance right there, and you see bees just piled up at that entrance, most time you got a problem. So what you need to do is go in there and see why they're piled. It's either due to heat or overcrowded. I run 2 deeps. And what I do is, I run them into like this right here, and I run all my bottoms here. I run another one above it, and I run 8 frames, and for the winter time, I come here, I run inside feeders. A lot of bees, they keep them warm, they stay in too. Now if you want to run top feeders, that's fine. If you want to run inch feeders, the only thing with inch feeders I have seen is you prevent rot. A little trick I can show you. That's the bees drowning these. All you got to do, catch a cork and sit down in that thing and it floats up and down. So like a rock, and you put that cork in there, and it's when you fill it up sugar, floats that down, drink. Bee will never drown. Don't never let them run dry. So I put that in my top and set it right there, which that's a 1 gallon. That fits my 5 frame nuke, but I got another one runs a gallon and a half. So I run this on top and I run 2 deeps. When I get ready for winter, I've got them all frames in there. Every one of these double deep 10 frames in. I go in my box and inspect. I want to know where all my brood is. So if my brood's up here, I'm gonna tear that box down and put all my brood here in the bottom. I'm gonna put all the honey in top. That's what's called, we're gonna do a honey dome. And you wanna put all your frames, so these 2 frames of honey. You wanna put your honey to the outside, and I'll explain why. Come here, put the other 2 frames outside here. Put all your brood to the center. Now what I'm doing is, this is the insulation. Here, so I put all my brood here. I got all the honey packed outside, so I can make a wall for him. Just tie at the top, I do the same thing. But now on the top, I want it rounded. So I'm gonna put all my brood here. So if I have more brood, I'll move it up. But so when you put all your brood center, put your honey here, come to the top box, do the same thing, and put it all, put all your brood, and this box you put here, I take my feeder and it takes 2 places. Now, the 2 2 frames I take that's full out, I'll pull them out where they're empty, put them in the freezer. I'll tell you what. 30 years, if you'll take frames out when they get full, go ahead and boxes get really full over time, pull some of them frames out, stack them back, because that's weight and gold right there. When they get to that point where you notice, you go open them up and you see swarm cells in there next spring, pull them boxes, them frames out of the freezer, you already got them started. Let them set 3 or 4 days, thaw out, put them in a box, put your queen cell in there, bam. You got a package, neighbor down the road wants a package of bees, that's $150 right there. But don't put it in there right then frozen, because you don't want the bees to be like a popsicle stick right there. Make sure you thaw it at least 3 days. Anything you can do right now, just do it. Feed. Right now is important because we got a dearth going on. You're gonna get a little bit of nectar coming in, not much. You're gonna have goldenrod coming in, asters coming in. There's gonna be a few other sources to it, but it ain't gonna be enough. You know what I mean? It won't hurt to feed them. We want to fill that box up just as full as we can get. And the way I tell with that right there is, when you walk up that high, once a week, do this right here. Until that box gets heavy, until it's getting light. Until it's getting light, feed. Until it's getting heavy, until it's getting heavy, pop it up, look at the top, see what you got. If it's getting full of honey, you can get an idea. You open it up and you see the bees clustered up right there, all piled up right there. I ain't gotta go there, I know where that brood is right there, because they're gonna be clustered right in that one area. Cause when they winter, they're gonna stay there, cause it's harder for that bee to move side to side than it is up and down. So if you get these 2 frames here and they cluster here, they can eat honey here, they can go up and eat honey at top. Then when it warms up, then they can move over and do it here. But if you feed them side feeders, when it warms up, they can take the sugar and pack back in the thing. Now this spring, give them enough to get them started, get the sugar off. You got to use common sense on it and say, okay, let me think. I need to feed so much. So if you go in there and you put sugar water in there and they're just draining it, you know, to start. You put sugar water in and go in there and you look 3 weeks later and it's still got sugar water in there. Don't feed them no more. Know your brood, in other words, know your stages. From 1 to 3 is eggs. So if I got eggs in here from 1 to 3 day old, I'm not worried about it. From 4 to 9 days, that's a critical point. So I can look in that and I can say, okay, I can tell when that queen has quit laying by that. So from 4 to 9 days, I look in there and I see eggs all over there 4 to 9 days. I say, okay, I'm doing okay. Now, from 9 to 21, 23, and 19, that ain't too critical. The critical point is from the first day the eggs lay to the 9th day. So if you're not seeing any eggs in there from 1 to 9, you got a problem. So I mean, our generation in North Carolina right now ranks #1 in the United States on beekeepers, hobbyist beekeepers, not commercial, hobbyist. Commercial beekeeping is getting up back in the past. Give it 10 more years and you ain't gonna see many commercial beekeepers. I've had a 0 on my account all year so far. So it's working, and as long as that's working, I'm gonna stay with it. Treatment plans, I'm not here to tell you what to use. Talk to beekeepers, what other beekeepers worked in the past. Try it. If you like it, use it. If you don't. There's treatments out there that's more chemicals than there is other chemicals. I'm not going to hear say push this, push this, push this, push that, because I'm not going to tell you put mile-away strips in there and they don't work. And then so what David said, I said, no. Read the directions, do what the directions say. You decide, read them all, study all of them, and then sit down and figure it out. But the critical thing is make sure the temperature's right, because a lot of this year you had to deal with 85 degrees, anything 85 you couldn't use. Formic acid is one of them we couldn't use because the temperature's too high. So that's what you got to read too. So study all that and read it good, and don't skip it. Really read it, because that can make and break your bees. Whatever you decide with it, go with it and push it. You know, if you don't like it, try something else before it's too late. But the inside feeders, I love them. Like I said, put a little float in, and I don't think you're never wrong. I will recommend them because they work really good. They stay inside the box, keep them to the top, put them to the side that you want to fill up, because the reason I say that is if you need to fill them up in the winter time, you ain't using tops. I got both tops. I can use migratory top, but all I got to do is pick that top up and just slide it over. And you ain't got to break the base, you can fill the feeder up right there. and you ain't gonna open the whole hive up. So if you got an inner cover on the same way, all I gotta do is just slide it over, just like that right there. And it can be 20 below, and I got my feeder right there. If I want to fill it up, I can fill it up feeder. And I got this full up. I've not done nothing to break the ceiling up. I've just broke the top. Or if I want to put as many bees in this box, these two boxes, really starting right now, just pipe them on down. If I go to 2 hives, or if I have to go to a hive and a half, I don't want to leave a lot of open space. In other words, when you open that box up, you look in the top of it, and you see very few bees in that top. You don't want that. Take that frame off, put it in the freezer or somewhere, put a pair of them off with it, set it aside for next spring. Put them down. You want the bees to cover everything in that box. If they cover everything, you'll eliminate beetles and you'll eliminate wax moths. But beekeeping is what you make it. You can make it fun, or you can make it where it's going to spin, spin, spin. And when you get like that, then beekeeping is getting to be more of a trouble. But we want to make beekeeping fun.